Due to the growing demand for more energy, fossil fuels have rapidly declined, and in order to minimize consumption, we need to use alternative means in generating electricity. Fuel cells are one of these alternative means discovered, and finding the optimum rate of performance through the effective temperature could mean that we could power machinery and cars more efficiently. We decided to investigate the effective temperature on the performance on a PEM hydrogen fuel cell.
The hydrogen fuel cell was exposed to variations of temperatures between 0 and 50 degrees, and the voltage output on a load was recorded. This was executed by charging the electrolyzer using a 3-voltage battery connected to the cell via wires. It was then placed into a beaker preheated or pre-cooled to the ideal temperature, kept constant by either keeping the Bunsen burner lit on a safety flame to keep it heated, or by adding ice whenever the temperature rose for an experiment with water below 23 degrees.
The temperature was constantly checked with a thermometer. When the cell sat in the beaker for 7 to 8 minutes, the wires were connected to the motor and a voltmeter was connected in parallel to find the output of the load. The circuit was connected and the voltage was recorded for every 30 seconds for 1 minute and 30 seconds. A volunteer videoed the voltmeter using a phone, so the optimum reading was recorded, as it was almost instantaneous when the circuit pathway was connected, improving the accuracy of the experiment.
We found that increasing the temperature of the water, and therefore increasing the temperature of the fuel cell, would improve the performance and energy output of the fuel cell. However, it started to evaporate above 50 degrees, making the membrane dry out. This means that companies can produce more electricity efficiently when hydrogen fuel cells are placed in hotter climates than when placed in colder climates. More energy means that electricity costs can be reduced for the same amount of electricity as companies can produce it for a lesser cost.